Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stogger, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this tip, we're going to look at how to avoid saving commands in your history buffer when they're repeated. So if we type the same command 3 or 17 times in a row, it should only show up once. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your hist control setting includes ignore dupes. And so there's mine. Now I'm going to type the date command and the date command again, and then I'm going to show you how date semicolon date looks a little different. So here's the output. And now I'm going to look at my history, my command history, the recent stuff. And you can see I entered the pwd command, the date command, but it only shows up once. And the date semicolon date command shows up as well, and the history command that I just typed. So in other words, what we're seeing is the one command that was repeated, the date command, only shows up in history once. Well, that's your Linux tip for getting your command history to omit duplicate commands when they're entered in sequence. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.